How to make a garlic mask to detox and rejuvenate your skin. Every day, your skin is exposed to a wide variety of factors that can cause imperfections and accelerate its aging process. The impact of the sun's rays, environmental toxins and poor nutrition are just some of the things that influence the premature deterioration of your skin. However, the most worrying thing is that your skin's surface accumulates various types of waste without you even noticing it. Overall, this prevents it from breathing optimally. Because of this, it's essential to use a detoxification treatment that, in addition to cleaning your skin, protects it against aggressive agents. Fortunately, there are low-cost natural remedies that offer wonderful benefits without causing allergies or adverse reactions. Garlic is one of them. Garlic is an amazing ingredient that's rich in nutrients, and we can take advantage of it by creating a mask with it. In this article, we'll you about how garlic benefits your skin and how to incorporate it into your beauty routine. You'll love it. Garlic mask to detoxify and rejuvenate your skin. This garlic mask is a completely natural treatment that has been used for a long time to promote cellular regeneration of the skin. This food is used for gastronomic and medicinal purposes. However, many studies have proven that it also has great cosmetics uses. This is due to its high content of antioxidant and moisturizing compounds, including its active ingredient, allicin. This substance has anti-inflammatory and antibiotic effects that, after being absorbed into the skin, control the symptoms of allergies and the growth of fungi and bacteria. This, coupled with its high concentration of vitamins and minerals, provides a protective barrier against the attacks caused by the sun and other environmental agents. Its healing and repairing agents stimulate the elimination of imperfections such as blemishes and scars and also reduce the risk of premature wrinkles. Its antibacterial compounds minimize acne and facilitate the cleaning of pores to remove blackheads. Moreover, it has lightening and exfoliating properties that quickly remove dead cells and hyperpigmentation. Among other things, using a garlic mask is healthy because it relieves the symptoms of dermatitis. Garlic protects the skin and keeps it looking young as well as reduces the risk of skin cancer. It regulates the pH of the skin. Garlic controls excess fat production and moisturizes dry skin. It accelerates the recovery of burns, ulcers and eczema and prevents the proliferation of fungi. Garlic improves skin blood circulation to increase the oxygenation of the skin's tissues. How to prepare a garlic mask to detox and rejuvenate your skin. Applying it reduces excess fat production. Moreover, since it regulates the activity of the sebaceous glands, it also controls dryness. Regularly using it keeps your face free of dead cells and gives it a smoother, cleaner and more hydrated texture. Ingredients: 3 garlic cloves, 2 tablespoons of white clay, 20 grams, 3 tablespoons of honey, 75 grams, rose water, as much as you need. Method: first, put the garlic cloves in a mortar and crush them until you get a thick and juicy paste. Put the garlic in a bowl and then mix it with the white clay and tablespoons of honey. Moisten the ingredients with a little rose water and make sure you get a creamy paste. How to apply it. At night time, just after removing your makeup, pin up your hair and cover your face with a thin layer of the mixture. Be careful when applying it to the area around your eyes, because volatile garlic compounds can be a bit irritating. If you like, apply the product up to your neck or neckline to allow these areas to also benefit. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes so that its active agents can take effect. Then, rinse it off with cold water. After this, apply a little moisturizer to your face. Use it 2 or 3 times a week to get the best results. As you can see, garlic is an ingredient with many health benefits for the skin. Prepare this simple mask and you'll be able to look after your face without spending too much.